Garage 54 presents. The secret Garage 54 test track. Hey there, fellas. Today's episode is all about, I don't even know, some crazy shit, I guess. I'm sure you can all see the Christmas tree behind me. After all, we did film this one during the holiday season. Anyway, so we went ahead and watched a couple of crazy videos. And then we decided to have a bit of fun ourselves. In typical insane Garage 54 fashion, of course. Check out what I got here. There are a bunch of videos out there where people take a drone and tie some fireworks to it. Different people have their own preferences when it comes to firepower. Anyway, they fly the thing up in the air and start shooting. It all looks pretty spectacular, especially in the dark. It's quite epic. However, the typical sort of scenarios you see in those videos, we found it all to be a bit boring, which is why we bought these. So here we have a bunch of small firecrackers. I was looking for long ones, but I couldn't find them anywhere for some reason. I'm guessing everybody's sold out, but no worries. Instead, I got some small firecrackers. A lot of small firecrackers. So here's the plan. We take this car and stick about 1,000 of these firecracker packs to the body panels. After that, we take the drone, which we fit with a couple of these sparklers. I'm pretty sure you see where this is going. We've invited an experienced pilot who's super precise with handling a drone, and my job is going to be driving this car away from the line of fire. So basically running away from the drone. Meanwhile, the drone operator is going to be chasing me and using these sparklers, as soon as we get them fired up, to ignite these here firecrackers, which we're gonna stick to the car. It's all a bit out there, but that's just how we roll. Now it's time for us to apply the firecrackers, head for the test track, and the race is on. Let's do this. Combat drone chases a car covered with 25,000 firecrackers. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Alright, fellas, we've made it to our test track, and the car is ready for action. It's all looking pretty good. We'll see how all of this is going to work in just a minute. If I can just put this out there right away, I wouldn't recommend doing this at home. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to go. We've already done a bit of testing with the drone. We flew around and fired away just to get a taste of how this is all going to work. All that's left for us now is to start the car and do our best to run away from that drone. Let's do this. Okay, you're good to go. What's up? I can see some sparks flying. Can't touch this. That was interesting. He actually got me. You're a bunch of hooligans, you know that? Look at what you've done. That was pretty dramatic. It was like... Looks like we did all right here, fellas. Turns out I wasn't mistaken when I was saying that my drone pilot is a true master of his trade. Good job, man. You actually did it. Now get your ass over here. Well, the noise was harsh, man. Well, the thing is that I was wearing a helmet. My ears were covered. Okay guys, so this experiment was a tremendous success. I have to give props to our drone pilot for making that shot. Good job, man. I'm sure he needed just like one tiny spark to get me. I was already relaxing, thinking that he's probably out of ammo and I'm in the clear. I genuinely thought that he wouldn't be able to catch me. But he did. Anyway, it's all good. But seriously, fellas, you really shouldn't try this at home. You shouldn't joke around with these things. I mean, we were able to get some advice from professionals who told us exactly what to do and how. They explained to us what we should and shouldn't do. So yeah, I don't recommend you try this. Just leave pyrotechnics to the grown-ups, who know how to read all the instructions and recommendations. Don't play around with this stuff. The car is okay, and as for all of this, we'll clean it off somehow. Maybe do a respray, and it'll be as good as new. Alright fellas, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave some comments and suggestions. Catch you later.